it anymore. No, first time. No, first time. Yeah, this is the first time. Mm.
Ani speakerphone ani.
That is the cause of the foundation. Because for us to report to the credit bureaus, there is also an e-cost for us to do that since we are accredited lender. And then you also included the loan application here. So that's a separate product, but it's included in your package. And the
Yeah,
loan
that's why
application,
I don't need to hear anything about this explanation. All I want now you just cancel. That's it. I don't need any
again,
explanation.
this is in relation to the
Can you
treatment.
please?
That's why
I
it's
no
a
need.
breakdown.
Yeah, I no need to any explanation because it's happened. Just cancel my account and everything done. Okay? That's all I need.
Alright. All I'm just trying to say is that you have savings that you can return back to your bank account, not the full amount, but only the savings part. Because you signed up for the plan that has a
See, look at that. It's really bullshit, right? I paid $79.84.
Refrain from saying profanity words so that
Okay,
I
okay.
here and explain what happened.
Okay, I understand now. So just cancel, okay? Please, just
No
cancel.
problem. I can cancel everything here. I'm just also trying to help you. So
Yeah,
you
that's
can
okay. I
use
understand
it.
now. I understand now. So just cancel.
All I'm just trying to say is that if I were you, I would not cancel this.
No, I don't know need. As what I see, I don't need I don't need anyone help me. That's my
Honey,
responsibility.
just listen to what she says,
I don't
honey.
care. I'm mad.
Then what's your plan to build your credit?
No, I don't. No, I know it because I'm not staying. I'm not staying in Canada for longer in my life. I just need a